EPCOT's Festival of the Arts.
Hello from EPCOT.
Hey guys, it's been a long time since we said hi. I know we had a few videos being posted, but this is really fun. It's one of our favorite festivals, I think. Flower and Garden's probably our favoriteest.
Yeah, this is our second.
Yeah, but we're really excited. Get to walk around, eat some cool looking food.
Yeah,
see some art
to add to our new house because we have an announcement soon. I was like, don't do it. Don't do it. You guys, if you are new here, hello. Hi, and welcome.
Oh, you always take it.
Because it's my saying.
Oh, okay.
I made it up.
Guys, we are really excited to bring to you the newest festival for this year, 2023.
That we are here.
Yeah,
it may have been going for a while, but
yeah,
we'll try to get Disney 100-year merch too.
Yeah,
we'll try
for sure. But let's go get some food.
Let's go.
So we stopped over here. Usually it's like the Festival Hearth or whatever. It's in between Test Track and World Showcase. We got the Skittle Rainbow Cake. And then we got the Rainbow Slushy. It's great.
Figment's Inspiration.
Yeah, Figment's Inspiration. There you go. And it comes with whipped cream. I opted for no whipped cream just because I don't care for it. But all total, $10.25.
Without any that's all discount.
Yeah, so we'll try it. Bon appetit. So she's already guilty. I got like 2 bites of the cake. I turn around and it's gone. All right.
So good. If you like Skittles, it's really good. It's worth it.
The question is, are you happy with yourself?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go to the
But look at.
What? Oh yeah.
Watch. Into your hand, but then let it come out. How big? Look at how small my hand is. Look at my pinky. Less than that.
It looks bigger on camera. It adds 10 inches. Just kidding. So we're gonna go to the World Showcase. We're gonna partake in the festivals.
You're on me. Why don't I go on you? What are we doing?
Going to World Showcase. Is this what it feels like?
Right? Show them around in here. It's cool. Oops.
By the way, this is where you buy the popcorn buckets, and just when you think they're empty, they bring out a whole nother table.
So I think I have to do like a virtual queue for the popcorn buckets, the Figment ones, but this is where you find them at.
this is the pass holder shirt. Has Figment, says chalk it up something magical.
To something magical.
Oh, to something magical. I didn't see the two. And then that's the menu of the merch. Sorry about the glare. And they have some more art. And above, they have like projections and stuff like that too. And then here are some of the cups. And then that one's cool. It has Figment on it. I'm not a big fan. Right there. So we walked around the World Showcase and we found some more merch. They got the magnets. Looks like they have hand sanitizer or look more like AirPod holders. Amber's on the other side with the phone cases. It just stinks that they don't have any Android cases. Oh, that's neat. It has a chalkboard. That's really cool. $20.
Well, the other lady said.
So we stopped over here at the Pastoral Palette, and we got the red wine braised beef short rib. It has parsnip puree, broccolini, baby tomatoes, and aged balsamic. It looks really, really good. Smells really good. It's over here in Germany. Just past here, it's over there. Amber's really excited to try it. So, for the record, I did try the parsnip. So, but the short rib, delicious. It was like, it's very tender throughout, and it was just seasoned very well. It had a little bit of a kick to it. I tried to give it to Amber, but she didn't want to try it. I think that's pretty much it. So every year that we can do it, we get to participate in the paint by number mural. So Amber got 8, lime green, and I don't even know what color that is. We'll find out when we open it. Oh god, she's gonna drop it. Oh, it's black. So excited. Yeah, there's no breeze, so it's just stagnant air. But
You have to paint 6.
6.
Little cubes.
Excited about that one. Goes up every year.
I think it's like so it's like the little town. They had it up there. Did you see?
Yeah, I have to go back and get it.
Yeah.
Pink
No pressure, Amber.
Right?
Be like Bob Ross and just tell me what you're doing.
Mess up, get a tree. Or you make it into a bird. This is 14. That's his 14.
Here's actually good. Deletes a number, which is pretty nice.
This is hard to paint.
I know. I wish the brushes were a little bit better.
Trying to get other people.
Yeah.
How many did I do?
You done 5. Just do those 2. Make them pretty. Yeah. There you go.
Good job.
Good job, Amber.
Really?
I'm proud of you. Show me up. Yeah, it looks better than mine.
Now you have to show off this part. You gotta scoot back. So there's this one and then the green one.
It's over there, and then you come up here, and that's where I did. It's pretty nice. And then they give you like a bookmark where you can see what it looks like. And it's open until 5. This is what it's supposed to look like. It looks pretty cool. Nice.
You did how many already? 2 or 3?
1 every year, so probably about 5.
We've done that many?
Well, either it was 1 of us or 2 of us.
Oh, that's probably why.
It's pretty cool.
Together we find.
So we're back in this store at EPCOT. We're looking at different new merch. And it's called Creations. That's kind of cuter. $40. The price is right above her head. But these are some new, like tie-dye-ish. Oh, look at the backside. Look, it's Mickey and Minnie. That's really cool. I know. Amber found her a plush. It's for the 50th. It's kind of cool. Oh, and they have this as just a hoodie. It's not a Spirit jersey. Amber likes the color. This one doesn't look as hard as some of the other ones that she's been picking out. And with the 100th coming up, they have some 100th anniversary merch. That's really cool. I have a jacket. I just bought me a jacket. Now I wish I would have waited for the house. Oh, look at this. They have like a little sweatsuit for the kids with matching hat. Oh God, Amber found another plush. She hasn't found these yet. No, we saw these at Downtown Disney. So they got Mickey as well.
So you're Chippendale.
And then they have the purse. It's not horrible. Long sleeve t-shirt. They have like little figurines. They have a little onesie. Amber, right by the onesie.
It's squishy.
It's squishy.
Guess how much?
$40.
30.
I was close. And then they got a little dress. This is really cool. No. Well, we're back in the car. It's 100 degrees. And
it was quickly approaching. As soon as we got here, we're like, oh, it feels pretty good. We'll be able to do some stuff.
No, it was, it got pretty hot pretty quick, like we said. It is in the late January, so it's like, man, you would think it'd be winter-ish.
It's like the last week of January, and usually it's pretty chilly.
It is, but we didn't partake in a lot of food.
We'll have to come back.
We'll have to come back when it's a little more in the afternoon, I think, in the evening.
Or evening, probably.
Yeah.
Like on a weekday, because we came on a Sunday, and yikes.
Yeah. But guys, you made it this far. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for watching our channel.
Subscribe.
Yeah, please do. We got a nice little community started. We're really thankful for every single one of you guys.
Subscribe somewhere up here, and our video will be
posted somewhere
here.
We're still trying to figure that part out. But guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.